my god, that guy is defected.
Oh shit, he's pretty hot.
Yeah, that's what I noticed in the shirt.
Damn.
The persona. Hey, buddy. You want the party in a pussy?
Shut the fuck up. Angie, did you hear that? Yeah.
Was that really loud?
That was really loud.
But he still didn't hear.
He still didn't hear it.
He still didn't hear it.
I think everyone heard it in this cafeteria.
Yo, that guy's defected. Call me.
Yeah, you like him, eh? You like him? Take a picture?
Yeah, you want
Okay.
a picture on my phone. So
Let's
you
take a
can,
picture.
wait.
1, 2, 3. There.
Send it to me, okay? Let me see it.
Okay. Oh. Yes! Right on time. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It doesn't matter. Let's just go outside.
Are we being bombed?
Just get the
Has the
fuck
turban in just
Come.
one?
I can take your phone. I'm taking your phone. Come on, guys. What? So, where is it that you wanted to go? Do you want to go to Lynx?
Yeah.
Let's go to Lynx?
Yeah.
Let's go to Lynx.
Aaron, I heard a suspect in mail. Are you still filming? No.
Yeah.
Still?
Yep.
But it's upside down.
Is it?
You can't possibly. I like candy. You smell like candy.
Really? Here, keep recording.
What